Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew. I develop bots on n8n for messengers. I have a store on Gumroad with ready-made n8n workflows. I also make bots on order with full installation and setup. I will leave all links in the description. Click here and select Credential. Find Airtable. We need API key. Go to Airtable. Open Profile and Builder Hub. Select Personal Access Tokens. Click Create Token. And name and scopes. For reading and creating. As well as reading DB schema. Click Create. Oh, I already have one, yes. Copy the token and paste it into n8n. That's all. Thanks.